Traveling with kids is challenging enough. Your transportation shouldn't be. With Black Car Everywhere, you can reserve a premium chauffeur service with the right child car seat ready before your ride arrives. Whether your child needs an infant car seat, rear-facing convertible seat, forward-facing toddler seat, or booster seat, we help families travel with greater confidence and convenience. No more carrying bulky car seats through airports, fitting them into taxis, or wondering whether a rideshare will have the seat you need. Simply request the appropriate seat when booking, and we'll prepare your vehicle in advance. Our child restraint systems are selected from manufacturers that meet federal child passenger safety standards and meet NHTSA requirements, helping provide added peace of mind for parents traveling with newborns, toddlers, and young children. Whether you're heading to the airport, a hotel, a family vacation, or an important event, our professional chauffeurs deliver a safe, comfortable, and reliable travel experience from pickup to destination. Book your ride with Black Car Everywhere today and enjoy premium transportation designed with families in mind.